Meet the August Smart Lock. Control who you welcome into your home like never before. August installs on the inside of your door and makes your smartphone a smart key, and more. August automatically unlocks your door as you approach, so no more fumbling for keys. And it locks automatically when you leave. With the August Smart Lock, give guests like dog walkers, delivery people, or friends and family virtual keys with access for a few days, a few hours, or even just specific times. Never leave keys under the mat or in fake rocks again. The August Smart Lock allows you to let in who you want when you want, and get instant notifications when anyone comes and goes from your home using the August app, so you know your loved ones are home safe. And you can even keep track of guests with a 24/7 activity log right on your smartphone. With August Smart Lock, send virtual keys to guests and never copy a key again. Give guests access for a few days, a few hours, or specific times. Always know who comes and goes with a 24/7 activity log. And stop fumbling for keys. August Smart Lock automatically locks and unlocks your door. The August Smart Lock is part of the August Home Access System. Welcome to a life that's more simple and secure.
Looking for a simple way to make your lock smarter? Transform your deadbolt with Kevo Convert from Kwikset. Installation is a snap. Simply replace the interior of your existing lock, Kwikset or otherwise, with a stylish Kevo Convert, while keeping the beautiful exterior you know and love. Now you can use the Kevo app, available on iOS and Android, to lock and unlock your door. Send e-keys to anyone with a few taps, and revoke access just as easily. You'll receive notifications whenever someone comes or goes, so you can always feel secure knowing your home is safe, even when you're away. Kevo Convert. Only from Kwikset, made for the world you live in.
Lose or forget your key again. Your renters or employees leave without returning the key. Want to know who has opened your door and when? Need higher security level for sensitive doors. You need a smart lock. Introducing Ultraloq UL3 BT, the world's first Bluetooth-enabled fingerprint and touchscreen smart lever lock. Ultraloq is simple, just touch to open. Everyone's fingerprint is unique, and no one can steal it from you. Our advanced fingerprint technology uses a scratch-proof, dust-proof, and waterproof sensor to make unlocking easy and secure. It identifies you in less than 0.5 seconds. You can also gain access through a 4 to 8 digital password with up to 100 million different combinations and unique anti-P password technology. If you have a smartphone, you can unlock your door in Ultraloq app through Bluetooth low-energy connectivity. You still have the mechanical key for backup. Ultraloq's Knock to Open feature allows you to just knock on your phone twice, even when it's in your pocket and you're in. Ultraloq integrates multiple cutting-edge technologies to eliminate the use of key. You will never be locked out again. In Ultraloq app, you can view logs of who has entered and exactly when they did, see who has the access and how, and even clone users when you install a new lock. For quick user management, just use touchscreen to simply add or delete user on the device. No problem if you don't have a smartphone. Ultraloq has an outstanding battery life, up to 8,000 times of access, powered by 3 AA batteries. It sends you low battery alerts on both LCD and app. Ultraloq is IP65 rated waterproof and dustproof with strong zinc alloy casing. We selected the best chip providers in the world to ensure best performance. Ultraloq is ideal to be installed in your storage room, office, home office, rent home, gun room, wine cellar, etc. It makes your life much simpler and safer. Ultraloq. Simplify your safety. Please back up today
Something's changing. Changing the way we do things. Making our lives more simple. With advanced technology, compatibility, and versatility. The key has evolved. With Kevo from Kwikset, now your smartphone is your key. So you have one less thing to worry about. It's making our lives a little better, smarter, evolving to fit your lifestyle. No smartphone? No problem. With Kevo's included key fob, just touch to open. Kevo has been engineered to maximize security. It detects if you're inside or outside the house before granting access to help prevent unauthorized entry. It uses multiple levels of encryption and comes with Kwikset's smart key cylinder for added peace of mind. Knowing you can always use a traditional key. Get notifications at your fingertips. Know when they enter or exit, and who they are. Send an electronic e-key to family, service providers, or visitors. All with Kevo's mobile app. And no matter how you use it, or who uses it, life just got a little easier. From sendable e-keys to total control and feedback of your door's access. Kevo. Smartphone smart. One touch easy.